I would like to take this time to wish each one of you a very happy and a blessed new year. Today I'm going to talk about goals and goal setting. I'm going to lay down few ideas. This can be used as a template for you and for your family. I'm sure by the end of this video you would be inspired to go and do well in life. You might ask me, why do I need to set goals? Why goals? Goals are like magnets. They drive you forward. All of us need to look forward for something. All of us need a purpose in life. Goals are magnetic force which will drive you forward. There are two types of goals. One is short range goals. Number two is long range goals. Short range goals are goals that give you hope for tomorrow. You and I need a reason to wake up. You and I need to have a purpose to wake up tomorrow. So short range goals helps you accomplish your daily task, which may seem mundane, which may seem very difficult, but your short range goals, when done continuously and with a rigorous commitment, would lead to long range goals. Long range goals are your futuristic goals. The business that you would like to set up in 10 years time, the house that you would like to build, the countries that you would like to visit. Those are your long range goals. Your short range goals translate into long range goals. Now, next is, why do I need to set goals? Why do you and me need to set goals? Goals lead you towards your future. It sets a pathway for your future. See, imagine a ship without a captain. The ship will not have a direction. So when you and I have goals, it sets sail, and you have something to look forward to. If you cannot see a target, you cannot reach it. You must be able to see in your mind to where you're going towards. That is why it is important to set goals. Even as we start this new year, I would request you to write down the set of goals that you would like to accomplish this year. Next, you might ask me, how do I set goals? How do I set goals? It is simple. All that you need to do is take your journal or take a sheet of paper, write down all the list of ideas that you have. Yeah? Write down all the ideas that you have, and then see what are those ideas that will pull you forward. What are those ideas that will lead you to your purpose? What are those ideas that will help you and your family? What are those ideas that will help you and your community? Yeah, there are certain things which will not really lead you towards your goals. So those are certain ideas that you need to eliminate. Part of the process is to eliminate ideas that will not help you. Most of us major on minor things. Yeah, there is this interesting quote by Jim Rohn. He says, most of us major on minor things. I'm sure you're not like that. You have a purpose. You don't do things that will not help you. So this is the year, this is the time that you need to see what are things that are actually pulling you backwards instead of driving you forward. This is the time, this is the year that you need to see, am I setting myself for success, or am I setting myself for failure? Yeah. So I'm sure you are pumped up the start of the year, but I want to see you with the same energy, yeah, in the month of February, the month of March. So this is the time to reflect and to see where you're going. Yeah, if you don't know where you're going, you might go anywhere where life leads you, and 10 years from now you would have wasted all your time and energy. Yeah. Next thing is, I would like to classify goals into three types. First one is your economic goals. Second type is your material goals, and third is your personal goals. Economic goals. What do you mean by economic goals? Economic goals are your income, your business. Yeah, those are some of your economic goals. Number two is your material goals. Material goals are the houses that you would like to own, the cars that you would like to drive, the places that you would like to visit, the vacations that you would like to take. Those are some of your material goals. The most important goal is your personal goal. Yeah, most of us try hard and work on our jobs, but instead we fail. What I've realized in life is to work hard on yourself. When you start working hard on yourself, eventually you will do well on your job. Jim Rohn says, work harder on yourself than you work on your job. When you start working on yourself, when you have your health right, when you have your finance planned, when you have your families and your relationships right, I'm sure rest of your life will fall into place. So number 1 is your economic goals, number 2 is your material goals, number 3 is your personal goals. I would like to finish with this interesting quote. Nothing can resist the human will that will risk its very existence to achieve its purpose. Nothing can resist the human will that will risk its very existence to achieve its purpose. See, this is the year that you need to commit to yourself and to your family and to the community that you will do no matter what. I will is to say to yourself, no matter what, I would not give up. Yeah, the last year was not easy for all of us, but this is the year you need to move forward. You need to go for your dreams. Yeah, you need to decide for yourself and commit. That's the most important part. See, you can write down your goals, you can have your plans and all that, but unless you implement and you act upon your goals and dreams, there's no point. Robin Sharma says that ideation without execution is nothing but a delusion. Yeah, I'm sure you would act on your dreams. You have a purpose, you have a calling, you have a family to look after. Yeah, so commit and go forward. I'm here to cheer you up. I'm your cheerleader. You are awesome. Yeah, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Please feel free to write down your comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you.